There you have it. The Dale Kelley pig shots. Thank you for being my friend, Mr. Kelley. That there is the sausage itself out of Mississippi. Hattlesburg. That's the weekend fun part. Alright, so these are my version of pig shots. And I'm going to call these dedicated to Mr. Dale Kelley. Rest in peace, Dale. He's a friend of mine that passed away. So basically what I'm doing, I got this Kunstler's thick sliced bacon. This is a sausage, sweet and spicy sausage out of Mississippi. And I'm gonna roll this up, try to anyway. Bacon's getting so warm and sticky now. And the reason why I call these calling these to Mr. Kelley is because Mr. Kelley, Dale, is the one that gave me all these sausages. Every time I went over and did some work for him, he'd always send me back home with a pack of those sausage links. He had a buddy that was in Mississippi, and he would ship them to Mr. Kelley, and Mr. Kelley made sure I was stocked up with sausage links. Stick a toothpick through it. Grab one of these because they're got a little better shape to them. So the bacon's just collapsing on me now, so warm. Take a good pinch of this locally made spicy country breakfast sausage by Wright's Country Store in St. Mary's County. So I'm just going to pack that in there and take a slice of jalapeno, lay it on top. That there is what I'm calling the Dale Kelley pig shot. God bless you, Mr. Kelley. A little bit of Uncle Steve's smoke bone. There you go. Dale Kelley pig shots. Calling these puppies done. Yeah, I think so. The Dale Kelley pig shots. Kunstler's bacon. Wright's Country Store, spicy breakfast sausage, jalapeno. Not to mention the sweet, spicy sausage out of Mississippi. Compliments of Mr. Dale Kelley. I'm pulling them. I think they're ready to eat. There we are, the Dale Kelleys.